Who am I, thus says the world? Thus says the world, I am Danita K. Washington of Clio, South Carolina, born of an educated black woman, graduate of 2 universities, holder of 2 degrees. To the world, I am shy to the audience, quiet to the crowd, lack confidence to speak out loud, working a 9 to 5, no career, it's just a job. To the world, I'm just another independent single black woman having a hard time getting a man because all the men are either locked up, shot up, more than one baby mama, gay, or carrying packages of drama. To the world, I'm just another flesh living within my own will. But who I am, thus says the world, no longer matters. Who I am to the world has caused me a ball of confusion, lack of direction, worries, and anxiety. But when I was able to transform my mind and think about who I am, thus says God, I began to see exactly who I really am. I am a ruler of all animals, a sower of many seeds, a voice of healing, a spirit of giving, a servant with authority, a child of the Almighty, a helper to the homeless, a mentor to the misguided. I am a compass for those that are lost. Not just a single black woman who can't get a man, but a single black woman of Christ. With a man who loves me unconditionally, no matter my flaws. A man that blesses me with air to breathe. One that opens my eyes to the sunlight, showers me with favor. Not only does he comfort me, he strengthens me. He gives me what I need and most of what I want. If you haven't guessed by now, my man is Jesus Christ. Who I am, just says God, is a tree of prosperity. Anything I touch shall prosper. I am not succeeding in debt. I am a loaner, not the borrower. The giver, not the receiver. The owner, not the leaser. I will be the wife, not the mistress. I am the mother of many nations, the educator of many secrets, the ministry of hope for those that are lost or suffering from low self-esteem. I am who I am because God is me.
Amen.
I am. Thank you.